How long does it take to earn a stable income from trading? And how long will it take you to become a full-time trader? We're going to talk about that coming up next. So first thing first, you need to determine whether you want to earn an extra income or whether you want to go into trading full-time. Because these two different goals is going to take different times to achieve. Now, if you just want to come into trading and then earn an extra income, then it might take you a shorter time as compared to if you want to go all in full-time into trading. Because here's the thing, I've seen people who take 1 to 2 years to become a consistently profitable trader. I've seen people who take more than 3 years, in fact more than 5 years, 10 years. I've seen people do it for 20 years and they are still making the same mistakes again and again and again. Now, of course, if you're watching my channel, you don't want to be that person. Because that person not only ruined his own trading account, he ruined his whole entire family. I'm not going into detail on that. Personally, for me, I came from the finance industry. I talked to hedge fund managers, I talked to pro traders, prop traders. For all the pros I know, at least 3 years. I went to finance school for 3 freaking years. And right now, I'm still learning every single day. Now, I know you at some point in your life, you came across an ad, a website, a video, and then they be like, look at me in my Lamborghini. Guys, look at me. Come on, look at me, man. If you implement my holy grail 100% win rate system, you too can live this lifestyle. You too can have a Lamborghini just like me. Not next year, not 2 years later, but next month. It just messes up a lot of the traders' mindset, especially new traders who just come in. What you talking to me about hard work? The other guy that day with the gold Maserati, he told me that I can do it within 1 month. And what you talking about, Karen? More than 3 years? You have been bombarded by the fact that you can do it easily without any effort. You can achieve the Lamborghini driving lifestyle. Ditch your boss within 1 month only if you just buy my $25 course. You've been brainwashed. If it's so easy, then why would there be a freaking jam outside my door here? Why would there be still people in Asia working from 6 a.m. in the morning until 3 a.m. in the morning and then sleeping for 3 hours and then people dying from overworking? Even though every single day they hate their jobs, they hate their boss, they hate their stupid colleagues who don't even respect them. And yet there are still people nowadays, they still believe it when somebody promises them the get rich quick, easy way out. I understand that that's what you like. If you really come from the industry, you know that none of the pro traders, none of the hedge fund managers made it overnight. Look at Warren Buffett, Ray Dalio, George Soros. What do they all have in common? Do they just get rich overnight? Yeah, it seems like it. In order to make that one trade that made them $1 million overnight, they have to put in 10 to 20 years behind the scenes to be able to do that in 3 to 4 seconds. To be able to press buy and sell at the right point in time. If you still don't know what are the things that you need to learn as a forex trader, go check out my video. Those are minimum, just bare minimum 10 things that you need to learn. In fact, you need to learn a lot more things than that. What I covered in that video is just scraping the surface. If you don't know what video I'm talking about, go up the search bar, type. Just during this whole entire 3 to 4 years, in order to turn yourself from a complete beginner to becoming a full-time trader or consistently profitable trader, you need to go through 4 main stages. The first one is where the learning curve is the steepest. Just like this graph right here. Although this is not a learning curve. That's the learning phase, when you learn every single little thing. And this is the part where you're going to get frustrated. Oh my god, I need to read page after page. When is this going to end? When can I start making money? This is the part where it's going to get boring. It's going to get frustrated. It's going to get lonely. And there's going to be a voice inside your head. Come on, just put in $500. Then once you've gone through the learning phase, it doesn't end. You still need to go to the demo trading phase, which a lot of people skip. Then they just go live and then they get burned and then be like, okay, what went wrong? You skip the freaking second step. That's what went wrong. Second phase is the demo trading phase. This is the phase where you need to start to get your hands dirty a little bit. I know that the emotions don't come, you don't feel the fear, you don't feel the greed. I know that. But this is where you familiarize yourself with how do you use the platform. How does the market react to the news every single day, every single month, every single week? How do you execute the right kind of orders? Whether the system works or not, this is where you back test, forward test. After demo phase, then after that you need to go to live phase. Now don't just open a $500,000 account just like that. You need to start with a small account because why? It allows you to train your psychology to manage real money. Because if you start with 500k, just like that, 50k on day one, your psychology is going to get messed up. You're going to be like, whoa! It's like coming out of a swimming lesson and then joining the Olympics on day one. You'll commit all the trading psychology mistakes that I've mentioned in this channel. Go live with a small account first. Trade mini micro lots. Then once you have trained your psychology to manage to trade real money, then you move to the real thing. The fourth type of account is where you will be able to sustain your living with a bigger account where you're trading standard lots. So you can see these 4 phases alone is going to take you at least 1 year. If you're hardworking. If you're holding a 9 to 5 job, then give it 2 to 3 years minimum. 3 years minimum to be safe. I know a lot of people say, wow, Karen, you know what's 3 years really a long time, you know, it's a long time. Here's the thing, 3 years is going to pass anyway, right? This next 3 years is going to pass anyway. If you're willing to put in 2 times the amount of work than other people, while your colleagues are resting on Friday night, Saturday, Sunday, you are working on your side hustle. You are working on something bigger than you. You are working to achieve your dream lifestyle. Then eventually you can live a life where all your colleagues are working on a Monday afternoon and you're sitting on the beach and just chilling. Most importantly, don't rush the whole entire process. One mistake that a lot of traders do is that they'll just quit their jobs to trade full time when the account can't even produce money to sustain their living yet. Because if you just quit and then go into trading full time when you're not a good trader yet, it's going to provide you with so much stress because you're going to be like, oh my god, I need to make 2k this month, I must make 3k this month. And when there's no trading opportunities, it's going to mess around with your trading psychology. Now if you want to double and triple your income as a trader investor, don't only do forex, do other asset classes just like me. Have multiple sources of income so that when this source of income doesn't work for this month, then you can still sleep soundly at night knowing that your other sources of income can still produce the passive income for you every single month. Don't rush the whole entire process. Be patient, put in the work, and eventually you will get there. Let me know down in the comment section below which phase are you at right now? Phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 or phase 4? So with that, I'm Careful and I'll talk to you in the next episode. Bye.